Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another video. Uh, I hope that everyone fit and fine. So actually, I'm also fine. Today I'm very excited because I'm right now here. Over there beside me, cornfield. Everyone look here. So there are beautiful uh, cornfield, and I'm looking here every day at this time, making a video or uploading a video. Okay, actually I thinking how to make a video or so actually here is my brother, to my brother. So okay.
হাই গাইস, আমি এখানে আছি বর্তমান, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন।
Hi. Okay, here's my brother, and here's my brother, two brother. Okay, so today, how to feel today?
Okay.
Okay, আজকে কিরম ফিল করতেছো? ভালো লাগতেছে কিরম?
সে মজা
Okay,
লাগতেছে।
today is very excited, or today is I'm feeling here because beside me there are many cornfield. Okay,
ওকে।
corn মানে কি? মাকৈ। Field মানে কি? মাকৈ ক্ষেত। Okay, so actually I can speaking English to English, or you can to understand. Okay,
ওকে।
okay. So actually uh, I'm looking here over there beside me, cornfield are beautiful, are nice to hear. Okay, everyone looking here, there are cornfield, uh, so beautiful. Okay, actually how to make to a video, and this is to make a video and hard work. Inshallah, I will be try to in our improve our English talking, or I will be try to in our English. Okay, actually everyone how to understand or how to improve your English, and you can regularly try to your English things talking. Or first of all, uh, you can watching this video or listening, and inshallah you will be try to your English, or you will be successful. Okay, I have no longer video, 4 or 5 minutes. Bye bye, tata. I will see you next video. Okay.